What's going on, guys? Jono here again, giving another shot at the green screen, see how it turns out. So question, what if you could have a salesman that worked 24/7 around the clock and didn't cost you a dime to bring you any business? That's right, completely free salesman. Well guys, that exists. It's called YouTube videos. They have super long longevity on it. That's definitely not the right way to say that, but they're up there for a really long time. You can watch them as many times as you want. They don't go away like Facebook stories or Instagram stories, and people just tend to be in a more focused state of mind. You know, you could have the same video on YouTube versus Facebook, and when people are on Facebook, they're probably going to be less likely to watch a 5-minute video, right? Because they're seeing what all their friends are doing and stuff. Whereas if someone's on YouTube, they're kind of in the frame of mind to actually sit there and watch a little bit longer video. So if you think you can really help somebody, and if that involves them buying one of your products or doing business with you, then YouTube's a great place to upload a video to use as your 24/7 virtual salesman. For me personally, since I've been doing these videos for a little over 4 months now, I mean, I've made over $1,000 with it, and it's nothing crazy. Like I'm still small potatoes, right? But you know, for some of you guys that have had hundreds, even thousands of customers, been in business 5, 10, 20 years, if you're not putting stuff up on YouTube, you're probably leaving a lot of money on the table. Like, I mean, maybe tens of thousands of dollars a year. And it's really not that hard to get some content going for your YouTube channel. There's basically 4 different types, okay, of videos that work very well. First, you have the how to blank, how to save money on car insurance, how to build new joists for your floor, how to, how to keep your kids from getting sunburned at the pool. I mean, there's all sorts of stuff. And the cool thing about the how-to videos is that, you know, it can either be directly related to your business, or it can be something from your personal life that may have some carryover into business stuff, or that may sort of indirectly help your clients. So that's a really cool thing there. Your YouTube channel doesn't have to be just business. You know, you can kind of have your hobbies and stuff in there too, and people will engage with that as well. All right, for the next type of video, we have the documentary style. And this one is great for if you have a profession that's very hands-on, like maybe you're a doctor, a chiropractor, mechanic, electrician, something like that, and like your jam is getting in there and using your hands, but not so much like turning and talking at a camera, right? That's totally okay, because all you have to do is find an intern or a college student or something, be like, hey, you know, give you some volunteer hours to put on your resume if you just come follow me around with your smartphone and, you know, record me doing what I do, and then have somebody follow you around all day, make like 5-6 videos out of that, and boom, there you go. You got some content for your YouTube channel that you can start putting on your website to help boost your Google rankings. Google loves to see videos on your websites, all sorts of stuff. You can share them to your Facebook. Either way, it's just another way to get in front of more customers and show them like, hey, I'm really here to help you. And then the third type of video is the Q&A, right? So you can just sit down with maybe somebody that's an authority in a field you're interested in, or who knows, maybe y'all are kind of like competitors in the same town, but you're like, hey, maybe we can like cross promote each other a little bit, or I'm not too sure. Like for me as a marketer, this would be great if I was doing marketing for, say, doctors, and I wanted to go interview a doctor, and we could talk about what he does, and I could talk about the work that I do for him and how we help each other grow. And, you know, that would be a really good situation for the Q&A. The idea of these videos isn't to just, you know, do exactly what I say. Like take what I have just as a framework and really think outside the box about it. And then the last one type of video you can make is the rant. And this is probably more for your dominant personality types, those really kind of, for lack of a better word, people that can be hard-headed and just really, you get them in front of a camera, something makes them mad, and they just start going. Who does this a lot? Politicians, the news, especially like celebrity news. And I mean, it works. It gets an emotional response, right? So get on YouTube and follow some people that's in your field, like for whatever type of business you're in. Find some of those businesses, maybe in other states or other cities, that have a ton of content on their YouTube channel, and then go look at their website. You can and their Facebook page, you can kind of get an idea of the size of their business there, and then see what some of the most successful people are doing to create their content and kind of mimic them. And it's not going to happen overnight, but give it a few months, and hey, results are going to come your way. So that's the lesson for today, guys. Next week, I'm going to show you a cool little tool that you can use to really get your videos out there in front of everybody, so that you can have the maximum amount of positive impact on the maximum amount of people at the same time. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful. Talk soon. Adios.